Hello, and welcome to English Unlocked, the podcast that helps you learn English slowly, clearly, and with confidence. I'm your host, Florian, and today we have a very useful episode. We are going to talk about something all of us do every week, sometimes even every day. Today's topic is grocery shopping. Yes, going to the supermarket, the grocery store, the market, or the shop. This is a simple activity, but it uses a lot of English. And today, I will guide you, step by step, at a calm pace through the vocabulary, the phrases, and the real-life situations you need. Take a deep breath, relax, and enjoy this slow, friendly English practice. Let's begin. Before you go to the grocery store, there is something important you usually do. You make a shopping list. Let's learn some simple vocabulary. List, food, items, vegetables, fruit, bread, milk, meat, snacks, drinks. Now imagine that you are writing your list. Say it with me, slowly. I am making my shopping list. I need a few things. I want to buy healthy food. Good. A shopping list helps you stay organized, and it also gives you English practice. When you write your list, speak each item out loud. For example, I need apples. I need bread. I need water. I need eggs. These small sentences build your confidence. Now, think of your bag. You take your keys, your phone, maybe your wallet. Say this with me. I am getting ready. I am leaving my home. I am going grocery shopping. A simple routine, but very good English practice. Now you walk or drive to the grocery store. You enter the store and you see different sections. Let's learn some important words. Entrance, aisles, cart, basket, shelves, checkout, cashier. When you enter, you can say, I am at the grocery store. I am taking a cart. I am ready to shop. Let's practice slowly. I am walking down the aisle. I see many products. I am choosing what I need. Beautiful. Let's begin. In the produce section. Produce means fruits and vegetables. Here are some common words. Apples, bananas, oranges, grapes, tomatoes, potatoes, onions, carrots, lettuce, cucumbers. Repeat after me slowly. Apples, bananas, carrots, lettuce. Great. Now let's use them in sentences. I need apples. I am picking bananas. I want fresh tomatoes. I am choosing carrots. When you shop, talk softly to yourself. It helps your brain connect English with real life. Let's create a small shopping scene. You pick up an apple. You look at it. You check if it is fresh. Say this with me. This apple looks fresh. I will take it. Now you put it in your bag or basket. I am adding apples to my basket. Wonderful. Now let's move to other important sections of the store. Bread section. Vocabulary. Bread. Rolls. Toast. Bakery. Sample sentences. I need bread. This bread looks soft. I am choosing whole grain bread. Dairy section. Vocabulary. Milk. Cheese. Yogurt. Butter. Sentences. I am looking for milk. This yogurt is my favorite. Pasta and rice. Vocabulary. Pasta. Rice. Noodles. Sauce. Sentences. I need pasta for dinner. I am choosing rice. Snacks. Vocabulary. Chips. Cookies. Chocolate. Crackers. Sentences. I want a snack. I am picking a small box of cookies. Practice this slowly with me. I am moving to the next aisle. I am looking for the things on my list. I am taking my time. Yes, nice and slow. Sometimes you need help in the store. Maybe you cannot find something. Maybe you need directions. Here are simple phrases you can use. Excuse me, where is the bread? Can you help me? I'm looking for the milk. Where can I find the rice? Do you have this in a smaller size? Repeat slowly. Excuse me, where is the bread? I'm looking for the milk. Good. If the worker answers, they might say, it's in aisle 3. It's over there. Let me show you. We are out of stock, which means they don't have it. Let's practice understanding these phrases. Aisle 3. Over there. Out of stock. You're doing well. Now, let's talk about prices and numbers. Vocabulary. Price. Cost. Cheap. Expensive. Sale. Discount. Total. Sentences. How much does this cost? This is cheaper. This is on sale. I only need 1. I will take 2. Practice slowly. I am checking the price. I am comparing products. I want a good deal. Simple, but very useful. Now your basket is full. It's time to pay. Vocabulary: checkout, cashier, receipt, card, cash, bag. The cashier may ask, "Did you find everything? Do you need a bag? Cash or card?" Here is your receipt. Practice. Yes, I found everything. Card, please. Thank you. Slowly. Here is my card. Have a nice day. Beautiful. Now you leave the store and go home. You can say, "I'm going home. I finished my grocery shopping. I bought everything I need." When you get home, you put the food away. I'm putting the milk in the fridge. I'm putting the bread on the counter. I'm organizing my groceries. This is real-life English, the best kind. Let's quickly review what we learned. Store items: bread, milk, apples, pasta, snacks. Actions: buy, choose, pick, pay, find. Phrases: where is? How much is this? I am looking for. Do you have? Repeating vocabulary helps memory. Now repeat after me slowly and confidently. I can shop in English. I understand grocery vocabulary. I can ask simple questions. I am becoming more confident. I am improving every day. You are doing amazing. Thank you for joining me in this episode of English Unlocked. Grocery shopping is a simple skill, but a very powerful way to learn English. When you shop, talk to yourself, ask questions, describe objects, use English. Slowly, calmly, every time. If you enjoyed this episode, join me again soon for more slow and simple English practice. This is Florian from English Unlocked, signing off. Have a wonderful day.